Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do something a bit different. I thought I would show you guys how I achieve this hairstyle. It's like the ponytail plait look and I wear it pretty much all the time because it means I don't have to straighten or curl or do much to my hair. It probably takes like 7 minutes to actually do, probably less if I'm not talking so much. But yeah, I thought I would show you guys how I do this today and let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair in that style. So you just start with your hair however it is. You don't need to straighten it, you don't need to curl it or anything before, just however it is. So last night I had plaits in my hair, which is why it's this kind of like frizzy, wavy look thing, as I just plaited it and then I just brushed it out this morning because I can't stand my hair. Like, I don't know if it's because I dye it or I don't know, it's probably because I bleach it a lot, that when I wake up it's always like frizzy. Like I have bits that are, have snapped off, which is kind of annoying, but that is the price you pay for blonde hair. Anyway, so let me show you guys the things I use for that hairstyle. These and this is what you need. You need a hairband, just a normal any hairband, some hairspray. Some of these little clear elastics are good if you have them. If not, a normal hairband is fine. A normal brush. I use the Tangle Teaser like handle brush, and then I use this brush to slick my hair back. You can use like a styling brush, but basically my fiance Joe used to have these for when he had waves and I just stole one of them. So yes, what we do first is brush your hair out.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so then you take your hairband and you want to just get your hair into a mid kind of ponytail like there. So I normally have to flick my hair forward to get my hair in a ponytail. Does anyone else have to do it? Some people can just do it without flicking their hair forward, like from this kind of position, but I think because my hair is so thick it's really hard to like get it all together in the right position without flicking it forward. So that's what I have to do to get it into like that ponytail position, and then it's just a case of brushing to smooth it out all around, like to get all the lumps out basically. No one wants a lumpy ponytail. Okay, so before I do the plait, I actually spray hairspray and slick it back, just so when I'm plaiting all like the little frizzy bits don't get into the plait. Just because my hair is quite thick and I have lots of like baby hair bits, it can be quite messy when they're not slicked down. So I get the hairspray and I just literally go all over my head. You can use gel or like any other kind of sticking hair product, it doesn't really matter. And then I just brush with this brush with the softer bristles to get a slick back effect. And I do the underneath bit as well. And there you have a very smooth ponytail look. Obviously my ponytail is very frizzy and wavy because of the plaits. Sometimes if it was straight I would just leave it like this, but we're going to do the plait. So next up you want to just brush through this again. You can see all my baby hairs here. I should really get a clip for that, but I don't have one right now, so we'll do that after. You want to separate it into 3 bits. be around the same size, which right now I feel like the middle one's a bit bigger. It might take a minute or so just to get it in the right sizes separated. So that feels about right. Okay. So once you've got it separated into your 3 things, you can start plaiting it. I do it from the back and then bring it to the front, otherwise for some reason mine always twists the wrong way. But I should probably say at this point that I am not a hairdresser. I'm not very good at hair, but here we are trying to do hair, so yeah. Okay, so once I've done the first few, it's not very comfortable, I bring it to the side to finish it off. As you can see, this is what I mean by the flyaways getting in my way, so I really need to get a clip to like pin them down. Obviously if my hair was straight, the plait would be smoother, but it's fine, it doesn't really make that much of a difference. So you want to keep plaiting down as far as you can go without little breakouts, which I get because my hair's layered. So like there, grab yourself one of the little clear bands like this, and then you can do this. That is your very cute. Also, so I like pull it apart here at the top just because it pulls on my hair back, and then it obviously makes the top of the plait a bit bigger and go down in size. I'm just going to get a clip for there, so hold on 1 second. Okay, so I have found a pin. So all you want to do is get those little baby hairs at the back and just pin them in so they're not floating all over the place. Okay, and there you have it. You have your ponytail plait look, which I actually really love. It's just sleek back and cute and classic. So yes, if you liked this video, even though I am not a hairdresser and I probably don't really know what I'm doing, but it looks not too bad, so who cares, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more like hair beauty things, even though I'm not a professional in it, please comment below and let me know. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.